Hello everyone, and welcome back to Investing Guide. As an old-timer or hardcore miner in the crypto section, or even as a crypto enthusiast who's been keeping up with the cryptocurrency world and how it's all faring, then you're gonna have heard about Binance more than once, a crypto exchange platform that's been ranked many times as one of the best and most popular crypto exchange platforms in the world. Binance here is a worldwide sensation for many of its users. It is known for the ability to be able to trade more than 500 coins on its platform, including the top list coins like Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, BNB, which is of course their personal creation, and Cardano, which has been one of the major talks around the crypto community after it skyrocketed up the charts with almost no letdowns to the top 3 cryptocurrencies in 2021. You're going to want to stick around until the end of this video, because you're going to want to hear the exciting news Binance just revealed about Cardano. Today's topic's definitely going to be a juicy one for every Cardano present user. Make sure you watch until the end of the video, as you don't want to miss out on what this unique topic is. So, what did Binance really reveal about Cardano? And could it set the future in stone of Cardano hitting $100? Taking almost all of the crypto community by storm, Cardano's jump up the ladders to join the coins at the top spot was almost surreal. The coin had proven its worth in a market, which you could say was once filled with doubts about its progress in the future. However, even with all the doubts that had come up for this coin, many experts and investors still voiced their beliefs in the coin, and why they thought it will succeed. Even big organizations like the renowned, well-known company Binance actively showed their support for the coin even after Cardano surpassed its own creation, BNB. The company launched in 2017 and has grown into fame as one of the most trusted companies for the trading crypto. And while paving its way up the market as a big figure, it also presented itself as a great influence on crypto, having the ability to massively boost the accessibility and reach of any coin by simply being accepted and traded on its own platforms. The platform was mostly applauded by the masses due to some advantages it showcases over most crypto trading platforms, such as its high liquidity and low transaction rates, which are huge factors investors look for when choosing platforms. Also, the company presented people with the opportunity to get discounts on the BNB coin as they pay on their platform. So, what's the real connection between Binance and Cardano? Cardano's gone through phases that have all taken place in accordance with what was revealed as the roadmap for it. Going through several eras, the coin has picked up interest, only more and more, with many anticipating anxiously about the upcoming updates. The coin can now be studied to show a timeline of increases in value with every update and era it experiences, as each update brings something new to the table, pulling in more investors. And this upcoming one seems to pack a lot of horsepower for the public, which is what we're going to be discussing and how this connects with Binance. The name giving to this project is the Venus protocol, which gives miners access to liquidity mining and, as you would have guessed, is being run on the Binance Smart Chain, a new crypto system under further development by Binance. Since the launch of Venus in November 2020, it's picked up speed, growing immensely by securing up to 18,000 users with roughly $2 billion in value locked, making it the highest in the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem. Venus has already stormed the blocks with claims by CoinMarket that Venus has stolen the record as the highest sum of a decentralized exchange despite running on the Binance Smart Chain, which isn't that surprising, as Binance is known for famously offering the lowest prices for token swaps. As time went by with all the excitement brewing for Cardano, Venus made the exciting announcement that it would be including Cardano in its platform, which couldn't have been any more exhilarating news, as it meant ADA investors would have the choice of using their assets as collateral for loans. This news seemed, for some, only fitting, as Cardano has taken its spot amongst the best performing coins in the markets, and will be included as well alongside other well-performing coins in its era on Venus, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Ripple, and more. If you thought that was all, you'd be happy to be wrong, as the developers of Cardano are now looking into starting a project called Liquid, which is basically a learning and liquidity provision protocol. Though Liquid is merely just an idea as of the moment of being born in 2020, while the economy of most countries wasted away accommodating billions of dollars of debt, the project is set to push the value of Cardano higher and most likely benefit a lot of its users. Cardano is keeping up a track record that is off the charts, especially with every new update and era it experiences, the very first being its Byron era, which laid most of the foundation of ADA layering out the framework that runs the Cardano protocol, also setting out the functionality for operating the network by the users. Coming in at second place was the Shelley update, which displayed a very well-defined jump for the price of Cardano, pulling in investors who were attracted to its benefits. Bringing in a higher level of decentralization, the update launched the mainnet, which pushed the community into a phase of relying on run nodes. The Shelley update also held up to its promises of delegation and incentivization schemes. The third runner-up in the set-out roadmap for Cardano was the well-known record-breaker Gogoen era, which hit the value of the coin with a huge punch, especially with the Alonzo update, allowing users to easily create decentralized apps using the smart contract development language, Pluto, and is the era that we're currently living in and will soon be emerging from. Future eras expected for Cardano from the planned-out roadmap are the Basho and Voltaire eras. But for now, you can agree that each era finds a way to push the value of Cardano even higher above the stacks. And if the coin continues to keep up this trend, the expectations for $100 aren't that far out of reach. Decentralized finance systems have grown over the shift of investments into higher risk yield streams as they offer a better solution out of the fallen economy and offer high yields in comparison to the older centralized finance system. You might be wondering why the yields are a lot higher than before. Well, it's assumed that this is because of the higher risks involved and the higher efficiency users get from using smart contracts and decentralized systems. Whatever that reason might be though, the DeFi finance system is expected to keep up the uptrend movement while different countries pack billions of dollars in debt and a high rate in negative real yields for the centralized system. The centralized system in comparison to a decentralized system tends to have lower yields. This advantage makes a decentralized finance system more attractive to investors. As for why this is important for the growth of Cardano, if Cardano Smart Contract Protocol offers users higher efficiency and yields, it will most likely attract more users, even more so as more global debt moves to Cardano blockchain in the longer term. We've watched major cryptocurrencies rise to the top from the bottom due to higher acceptance from major investors and the public as a whole. We saw how at its inception, Bitcoin was met with a lot of doubts, but after receiving a huge number of investors and loads of capital into its funds, it quickly skyrocketed to the top of all the crypto coins in the market. The same could happen for Cardano, as majorly, people have started to notice how promising the crypto industry is, and are shifting their attention to safer coins with lower energy costs and more compliance. Already, Cardano is taking up spots trading in places where only the best coins were known to have reached. We see this clearly with its recent trades with Japan as a whole, which has very strict rules governing how cryptocurrencies are run. Popular opinion has been flooding the Cardano crypto community that for Cardano to push forward both in value and price, its current users will be required to grip on tightly to it and not just sell every single time the coin gets a little more value at price. Now, with almost all major platforms like Coinbase accepting and including Cardano in their system, and Binance actively supporting the coin, the future of this coin is shaping up with infinite possibilities. With all of this information, new Cardano eras, Binance support for Cardano, and all the attention given to decentralized finance systems, Cardano seems to have a bright future that may act as a catapult to push Cardano to a price of $100. Well, that's it guys. We hope you enjoyed the video and got some useful information from this as well. If you love the growth of Cardano and think the best for the coin, drop a like on the video and let us know what you think will boost the price of Cardano in the future. And while you're at it, go ahead and click on one of these videos on your screen to learn more about Cardano and investing. We'll see you there.